Hello, everyone. I'm Kai Gomez, founder of Swarms. Today, I'd like to show you a demo on how to enable streaming within your agents. Streaming is basically how you see the agent's output letter by letter as they're being generated. And so today, to get started with our tutorial, you could simply get started with pip install dash capital U Swarms. This is how you get your latest version. And also, once you download Swarms, you make a new folder, you make a new file, and then you could put in some environment variables. You put in your workspace directory variable, which is basically how the agents know where to output files and things like that. So this is a folder where all the artifacts will be generated and etc. And then you would also put your model provider keys. So today I'm going to be using a couple of different model providers like Grok, for example. So you do it like this, put your Grok key or your Anthropic underscore API underscore key, and that's how you get set up initially. So this is the main code here. It's pretty simple. From Swarms import agents, you import your agents. Then you fill in the agent's parameters. You give it a name, you give it a model name. In the model name, you could choose over like 550 models or something. It's quite a lot. So here we're going to be using Grok. We're also going to demonstrate Claude and etc. So here, this is the parameter where you simply just turn it on, streaming underscore on equals true. And then you'll have streaming. Then you also have max loops, which is a parameter basically telling the agent how many times to loop within itself for. Then you have the print on. This is when you want to print all the tokens token by token. So if you don't have this off, it'll still stream, but it'll like the response will not be shown on your terminal. And then the output type is basically how you want the agent's outputs to be released. And so now this will now stream in real time with a beautiful UI. So you run the agents with this run method. You can give it task, which is a string. You can give it one image, or you can give it multiple images. And so it's pretty customizable and multimodal. So here, tell me a detailed story about humanity colonizing the stars. You would essentially just, put your task in here however long you wanted. And then you would run this and we'll see Grok go really fast. And that's it. It's done. And then you could check it out here. You can customize the prompting. I don't think there's a system prompt here, but if you wanted to add a system prompt, this would certainly help the quality of the outputs. So yeah, that was the first response. Now let's go a little bit slower with the Claude 3 Sonnet and see how that looks like. You see, yeah, Claude is a little bit slower than Grok. Well, not a little, but quite significantly. But yeah, you can see the tokens being generated token by token. And if we expand the screen, we could see everything. And the outputs are going to be quite large. Yeah. Beautiful. Super cool. And yeah, so that was a quick 5-minute demo on how to enable streaming with your agents. Super simple. Just turn streaming underscore on equals true. And for your multi-agents, structures, you would do the same. Streaming underscore on equals true, print underscore on equals true, and then you would build your multi-agent structure, and then all the agents tokens would be streaming token by token. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please support the Swarms GitHub. We are building the world's most professional and enterprise-grade multi-agent framework. So yeah, give us a star if you're interested in Swarms. Fork it, contribute if you like. Also check out our documents to see why you should contribute if you'd be so inclined to do so. And yeah, thanks for your time. If you would like to receive more agentic content and learn how to build agents, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video, which will most likely be coming out pretty soon because I'm trying to ramp up content production here. So yeah, have a good day, and yeah, keep building agents.